welcome to my latest update. Right in front of you here is the newest circuit box I built. I designed this first circuit box specifically to fit a circuit. Now if you look carefully you'll see some of the details from the stormwater pipe left on it that I used to make the circuit box out of. There's the side of it there and there's the bottom of there, all nicely made out of PVC stormwater pipes. Took about 2-3 days drilling, cutting, sanding and all that there to get this just right. So the top part I did today, and I did all the framework on the sides here, which gives it more strength. So all I have to do now is give that a spray coat of spray putty. Then I can paint it any colour I want it there. So that's the circuit box there, okay? So I'll set this one up here. I designed that to fit this circuit here. This circuit here. That circuit there will emit about 10 different frequencies, and they can all be heard on the VLF receiver up there and that one there. So anyhow, that's about that there now. So I'll let this sit till tomorrow when it's a bit more drier, and then I'll give it a nice spray putty coat and that there before I put the circuit in it there. So you can see the details there, some of the details there from the pipe. I didn't sand them off, they'll be coated in the spray putty when I spray putty it. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.